Nearly 550,000 people claim to have healed their gastritis, ulcers, and even intestinal problems thanks to cabbage juice. But how true is all of this?
Today, on Herbalia Vitalis, we're going to uncover the truth behind this famous natural remedy, not through rumors, but through scientific studies and verified data.
Welcome to Herbalia Vitalis. I'm Laura Miller.
And I'm John Parker. Here, we explore the power of nature backed by science to help you live a better, healthier life every day.
Before we begin, tell us in the comments where in the world you're listening from. We love knowing how far this program reaches. The short answer would be yes. Cabbage juice does help heal gastritis. But be careful. This doesn't mean you should stop your medical treatments or replace your doctor's prescriptions. Never do that. This juice is a natural support, a real complement to help your body recover faster.
And with today's rising costs of medication, consultations, and treatments, many people have turned to natural alternatives. And cabbage, yes, that vegetable you might have ignored in your kitchen, has proven to be one of the most powerful gastric regenerators out there.
In fact, several studies from universities in the United States and Europe found that fresh cabbage juice contains a compound called glutamine, which helps repair the stomach lining and reduce intestinal inflammation. In other words, it helps your body heal from within.
Some studies compared patients with chronic gastritis who were treated with medication versus those who drank cabbage juice for 21 days. The results were surprising. Many of those who tried the natural juice showed noticeable improvement in less than 2 weeks.
And that's without mentioning the countless testimonials from people who, after trying everything, doctors, pills, endless treatments, found relief in natural medicine. And what happened? Their bodies responded positively. You could be one of those stories.
It's very simple to make. All you need is half a fresh cabbage and a juice extractor. Pour yourself a glass and drink it on an empty stomach every morning for 21 consecutive days. Then, take a 1-week break before repeating the cycle.
The secret is consistency. Don't expect magical results overnight. Your body needs time to heal. But if you stay consistent, you'll start to notice real changes. Less burning, better digestion, more energy, and above all, relief.
Remember, natural medicine doesn't replace traditional medicine, it complements it. And if you thought cabbage was impressive, wait until you discover the natural product most studied against cancer, with over 140 scientific investigations showing its antioxidant power and its ability to reduce the risk of several types of cancer by up to 40%. In the next video, I'll explain everything, backed by real evidence and scientific results.